I must again thank you all for...
Oh my god, you're like... Oh my god!
You really make me one level up. And I also got a new microphone, yay! So first one what I will here to say is that I have planned one surprise for you. Who had watched the stream, they will know about what I make. Now let's go back to the video. It was one day, I opened YouTube and surprisingly, this pop up me. I was here about that if you have like pirated copy of Windows, you get this screen. But I mean it is fake. And like Microsoft on 90s doesn't spy if you have pirated copies of something else and you have completely own Windows with what you can do possibly anything you can. But this video changed my mind and here you will see how.
Warning. It is very unlawful to illegally copy unauthorized versions of Windows 95. If you ever do this again, you will be in contact with the police. Please check the Windows 95 user manual for more details.
And I was searching for more and damn. Also Windows 1.01 3.11
Warning. It is very illegal to pirate a copy of Windows 3.11 according to the copyright law.
me.
This is a pirated copy of Windows Millennium Edition.
XP 7 and even Windows 10 have that.
I am sorry, but it looks like your copy of Windows 10 is pirated.
But yeah, I also saw some anti-piracy screens that are remake or made from people. I don't know why, but I have a lot of questions. Is this even real? If yes, then I know that in 90s, if you had illegal pirated game and FBI will know about that, then you get him on your home. And I know also that it was many pirated or illegally copied Windowses and sell it for a low price. But how Microsoft or FBI was even know about that? I know when you are like connected to the internet, then I know how he can do that. But internet was born in 1983, but that was not popular at all. And even Windows 1 and Windows 2 was not get ready to the internet functions. So how it was know it is pirated? Or maybe Windows 3.1 was not connected to the internet. I don't know. I don't know, let me a comments if you know about that. Or maybe my theory, computers with Windows 1 or MS-DOS have secret Wi-Fi adapter with that Microsoft control every PC. It's a big mystery. How that actually work and detect the piracy? Can we get the screen still today? I was searching for any results, but I found only this one short of anti-piracy screen.
Just Shapes and Beats is an action rhythm game. When loading into the game would detect if it was running through Steam or not. If it detected that Steam wasn't present, a screen of the game's programmer and designer would appear. The message isn't even that malicious. All the developer asks is that you at least talk about the game through word of mouth so that someone else could actually purchase the game themselves. So, real or fake? This one is absolutely real. The only problem with this though is that you'd never be able to see it. This is because the Steam emulators don't trip the Steam check that gets pushed through with the game. So it's essentially left unused, and the only way to get to it is through hacking the game.
It shocked me. I was thinking, no freaking way, this video is only one on YouTube. Okay, so another my original content. And I found this same video, but with no VHS effect. And surprisingly, it shocked me a very bit.
Warning. It is very unlawful to illegally copy unauthorized versions of Windows 95. If you ever do this again, you will be in contact with the police.
The guy who had logged in is called Meikano. Who is that guy? So, KRR Detective is here to try figure out if this myth is true or false. When he do something illegal, maybe he will be on the news, right? No. I was sending him on Google and I found only one anime corporation. Okay, I better review the comments of this video if I found some helpful answers, and someone said it is fake, someone again it is real, etc. I asked him back if they know more about, and literally not at all. He doesn't know about the screen, nothing. But okay, I go further. If there will be some ordinary results, and as I expect, I found nothing. It only gave me YouTube videos, bro, and nothing results about that. So fine, I create Stack Overflow account, like that's Reddit, but for programmators, and post this question. And about 1 hour, they removed my question because this is not programmable thing. But that's a little bit programmable thing if this anti-piracy is on Windows code. Okay, that's no matter. So I create new Reddit account. Yes, I don't had Reddit before. And on r/Windows, I post the question too. And then I go to sleep. And on the next morning, I got one answer and one downvote. He answered me, it is a meme. Yeah, but I don't believe him at all. And put him this question. And about 1 hour, someone told me that it is not readable and he had true. So I gave him this video with no VHS effect, and then I go sending more. I now don't use for anti-piracy or some that. I had something up for pirated Windows 95, and yeah, it was a little bit dangerous sound. And wow, a different sound results I got. It is a video from Moscow.
бета-версии Windows 95 поступили примерно 2-3 недели тому назад.
Yeah, I don't very understand what he are talking about. Yes, I learned Russia. Wait, what? No! I'm not professional Russia speaker now. Right now, I only know the basics and like Privet, Snoven Gordon and like that. And about him, it was an English video.
Global hype and fanfare for the launch of Microsoft's latest product passed Moscow by. It would have been a big yawn, because pirate copies of the operating system software have been openly on sale in Russia's capital for weeks. Muscovites hunting for unauthorized copies may also find them on open market stores, courtesy of the Far East's huge counterfeiting industry. Meanwhile, companies making software to combat computer viruses are claiming that the system's power and speed make it especially vulnerable to high-tech infection.
Oh, my left ear! And it was not helpful. And then I go again to Google, and on the button, this video really fascinates me. When I click on it, everything is normal. And by me, it also fascinates that he used his name to log in. Wow, that's pretty weird. Or pretty awesome. And when he show it up, he will connect to the internet. He got the screen, and it was some completely another, like in the video. But I have one question. Why is this screen blue? Or maybe it is black. And he uses again VR as effect. But why? And on the screen was a tel number and a link to the Microsoft website. So now I go to the link below, and guess what? The site don't exist. Maybe it was existed in the past, but it was deleted and not used today. And what about the tel number? So first I checked up for the tel number, and I found a very surprising thing. I found one email. If had Microsoft this email used in the past, I turn on my Gmail and write him one email. But wait, about this share, even Microsoft have something about piracy. Oh my god, look at that. Piracy stories, Microsoft news. And damn, there we have news about all piracies. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. That Microsoft really know about piracy like that. But first I test if this email exists still today. And yeah, it worked. So then I got also one idea, answer to Microsoft forums, if they will also help me out. And then I go to the video again and go to his channel and see if he had some social media too. He have Instagram, and when I go to his Instagram, something went wrong. I can go to his Instagram. Maybe he changed his name, or he set his account to private, or even delete him. I go checking if I found him with the same name, and surprisingly, I found a guy. I message him too, and then I got one answer from Jasper Sign. Oh, I don't know how its name is. In Microsoft forums. He told me this. For one, Windows periodically checked for the activation key, and if an activation bypass method is detected, the activation is cancelled and warning is ensued. Number 2. The story of the anti-piracy screens seems fake, as nothing of the sort was made into Windows. Number 3. You need an active internet connection to detect piracy, though there are several offline methods to block attempts for copying or unauthorized usage of digital content. Piracy of digital content is illegal and can be detected by your internet service provider via your internet history, and depending on your local laws, you can be questioned on it by your local law enforcement. Then I organize Jasper work at Microsoft, and I look to his profile, and his profile was made it in 2019, so like maybe he know the okay. But when I look closely, he even isn't from USA. He's from Arabic. Okay, so I don't know if I can him trust. And I mean it is a guy from USA. So, anti-piracy screens are fake. Wait. Not that real. Then I again try my luck and try figure out if it is really and Microsoft really some anti-softwares to piracy or something that. And I found this video from Noble Tech. What he there showed. These are real anti-piracy screens of Microsoft. And if you had for now trust that these anti-piracy screens were real, well, it was fake. So I had also mean it is real, and nowhere had me to answer me correctly if it is real or fake, really. So, like that. And yeah, that's all, and bye.